Hello student, I am your English teacher. Today is our first digital class. So I would like to request all my students, please pay attention and cooperate with me. So I would like to start our class without any delay. Today's topic is part of speech. So what is part of speech? Question arrives. What is part of speech? The 8 building blocks of English language is called part of speech, or we can say as it is the system of classifying the words based on their function in a sentence. So it is classified the words based on their function in a sentence. There are 8 different kinds of part of speech. How many kinds of part of speech are there? 8. What are they? They are noun, pronoun, verbs, adverbs, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Today we discuss a noun. What is noun? Everybody knows. Noun is a naming words, or noun is the name of a person, place, animals, things, feelings, and ideas. Okay, children? Some example of noun. Ram, Anita, boy, student, teachers, loyal. These all are the example of person. Why Ram is noun? Because it is the name of a person. Why boy is a noun? Because it is a name of a person. And student is also noun because it is also name of a person. So teachers also noun, loyal also noun. So what kind of noun we will discuss later on. So we comes to know it is a noun, name of a person. Like as place, Bhairava, city, school, market, home. So why Bhairava is noun? Because it is the name of a place. Why city is noun? It is also name of a place. So school, markets, home, etc. is also the place of noun. So it is example of noun. Now animals, elephant, dog, cow, etc. are noun. Why they are noun? Elephant, because elephant is the name of animals, the kinds of one types of animals. Dog is also one kinds of animals. Cow also one kinds of animal. These all are the are noun because it's the name of animals, but they are noun. But what kinds of noun? So we will read in next or later on. So next is things. Book, flowers, shoes, bag, etc. is also noun. You comes to know why book is noun. It is the name of a thing. Why shoes is noun. It is the name of a things. Why pencil is noun. It is also name of a things. Now next is action or quality. It's also noun. Kindness also noun. Darkness also noun. Sickness also noun. Laughter also noun. Because these also tell us the feelings of the person or things. So it is also noun. So this also example of noun. So there are, now we will read kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun? There are 5 kinds of noun. And what are they? So they are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Now first is proper noun. So what is proper noun, children? So proper noun is a noun which identify a particular person, place, animals, or thing. What identify? Particular person, place, animals, or thing. Particular, not a common, particular person. Example, Ram, Meena, Kathmandu, the Kathmandu Post, Nepal, Bank Limited, World Health Organization. Why Ram is noun? Because it is the name of a particular person. Why Kathmandu is noun? Because it is the name of a country, particular name of a country. So why the Kathmandu Post is proper noun? Because it is the name of a newspaper or things. Okay, children, is the example of proper noun. You comes to know what is proper noun. Proper noun is a noun which identify particular person. Particular person, place, animals or thing. One thing always remember. What is that? Proper noun always begin with capital letter, no matter where they fall in a sentence. Always remember this important notes. Now next we comes on common noun. What is common noun? You all knows what is common noun. I remind you again. A common noun is a noun which is a general noun, name for a person, place or things. What is common noun? A common noun is a noun which is a general name. I mean the common name for a person. General name means common name for a person, place or thing. For example, boy, teacher, doctor, player, lawyer. These all names identify any doctors, any teachers, any boys. Next, city, country, hospital, school, playground, also common noun. It also referred to a general name for a place. Or newspaper, book, vase, lipstick, these all are the common name of a things. So these all are belongs to common noun. Example of common noun. Is it clear? Now next is collective noun. Collective noun is a noun that refer to a collection of group of person, animals or thing. Group of person, group of animals, group of thing is called collective noun. Example, an army of soldiers, a band of musicians, a crowd of people. So you can say a group of people, what we used to say crowd. A group of dog, we can say pack. A group of room, flat. A group of musician, band. A group of soldier, army. Okay. So now next is abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? An abstract noun is that to an idea, quality or state we cannot see, taste, touch, hear or smell. Is it clear? Abstract noun cannot identify, cannot touch, cannot taste, cannot hear, cannot smell. Example, love, joy, happiness. Only we can feel it. We cannot count it. We cannot touch it. How much love and how much happiness, how much joy. We cannot touch it. We cannot see it and we cannot taste it. Only we can feel it. Now last and number 5 is material nouns or concrete nouns. Okay, children? A material noun is a noun which refer to a materials or substance from which things are made. For example, gold, silver, iron, diamond, plastics, etc. are called material nouns. The ring is made of gold. So ring is what? Noun. And gold is what? Material noun. Why? Why material noun? Because it is the name of a matter. Okay, is it clear? So you all remembers what is noun? How many kinds of nouns are there? What are they? Is it clear? Once again, I would like to request, remember these things and read the chapter and once again, I want to give you 2 questions for homeworks. One is define part of speech. How many part of speech are there? Name them. And next is define noun and different types of noun with example. Define noun and define different types of noun with example. Now I am going. Now our today's class is over. In the next videos, we meet with our next topic, pronoun. Thank you very much for watching the video.